Getting 1000 subscribers, it is not about luck, it is about following a system. And if you can stay with me to the end, I will show you how you can grow from 0 to 1000 subscribers faster than you think. Now, before I break down this step, let me make this clear. 1000 subscribers does not really happen overnight, but it also does not have to take years. The difference is knowing exactly what works and follow it in the right order. Let's drive it to it. Right now, the number one thing is picking the right niche and audience, because at 0 subscribers, the biggest mistake is trying to make video for everyone, and YouTube does not reward general, it rewards specific. A clear niche make it easy for YouTube to know who to show your video to. The next thing to do if you want to get more subscribers as a small YouTuber is to focus on search and trending things first. When you are new on YouTube, nobody will know your channel. Right now, you need YouTube search to do the heavy lifting. So make videos that answer common questions or write trending topics. For example, instead of making random vlogs, make how to or the best way to, because that is the style people are searching for, and this might turn into the first wave of views to you, and it could bring more subscribers too. So the next thing to do is to master your title and your thumbnail, because people don't just click because your video is good, they click because the title and the thumbnail promise that the video is valuable. You need to improve in your thumbnail and your title. Keep thumbnail bold and simple, because thumbnail is an mini aid to any of your video you are uploading on YouTube. Even though you create the most best video in the whole world and your thumbnail is bad, nobody will click or watch that particular video. If you don't know the picture of thumbnail or what thumbnail is all about in your YouTube channel, you can see a picture of thumbnail in my screen, and this is how thumbnail look like. The number 4 thing to do if you want to get more subscribers on your small YouTube channel is to deliver value plus rotation, because subscribers don't just come from answering, they come from giving. So always give viewers the reason to stay your video until the end, and focus on solving problem or teaching something clearly. To make viewers stay your video to the end is to remove boring intro and go straight to the point in the first 15 seconds, so viewers will not just click away. Number 5 is to use short video plus long form video together. In 2025, the fastest growing channel don't choose short or long form video, they use both together. Short videos will help people discover your YouTube channel faster, and long form video will help people connect and engage to your videos. Another thing again is consistency and trust, because YouTube don't just reward one viral video, it reward consistency. So pick a schedule. You can actually post 5 times in a week or 3 times in a week, and be consistency, so your audience can know when to expect new videos. So the last and not the least thing to do to get more subscribers is to build community and engagement. Your first subscribers are your biggest supporters, so treat them like a king. Reply to any comment, ask a question, and use the community tab if it's allowed. Growing from 0 to 1000 subscribers is the most hardest part, but if you are interested in growing fast, you need to focus on niche, searchable content, strong title and thumbnail, and consistency value, and your first 1000 subscribers will come faster than you think. But remember, every big creator started from where you are right now. The only difference is that they don't quit. So keep going, your first 1000 subscribers is waiting for you. And if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my videos. Right now, I put a seller link on my YouTube bio. If you are interested in supporting my YouTube channel financially, you can click the seller link and it will take you there. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.